Read the sentence from the story. Punctuation. Already I have taught you what is punctuation. Punctuation is full stop, exclamatory mark, apostrophe, question mark, comma, inverted comma are called the punctuation. Read the sentence from the story. He could see from the boy's tattered clothes that Arun really needed the money. Here, tattered clothes. Tattered clothes belongs to the boy. So, boy's tattered clothes. So here apostrophe. This is called apostrophe. Apostrophe is used to show the ownership. Okay. The things, something belongs to somebody is called there you should to show in that sentence you have to use apostrophe. He could see the boy's tattered clothes. Whose tattered clothes? The boy's. Okay. The apostrophe shows that the tattered clothes belongs to the boy. We use an apostrophe to show that something belongs to somebody. Here, Rahul pet dog is playing. Whose pet dog? Rahul's. So, who is the owner of the pet dog? Rahul. So, Rahul. Here you have to do. I am only putting the apostrophe. You have to rewrite the sentence and show to me. My father's office is very far. The teacher's pen has fallen on the floor. The man's car tire is punctured. Amit's hat was lost in the park. And this I will give you the snapshot. You fill it and send to my WhatsApp number. Now move to worksheet grammar 2, page number 57. Filling the blanks with the correct adverb given in the box. Gracefully on, proudly out, yesterday politely, now there. So Tina is a well-behaved girl. She always speaks politely. The sun is rising now. I have kept the books there. The grandmother looked at the child proudly. Rohan dances gracefully. He walked though he was tired. He walked on though he was tired. He went for a movie yesterday. Went in the past tense. She went out for a walk. The old man is now filling the blanks with a suitable adverb according to the kind mentioned in the bracket. Here they have mentioned bracket. In the bracket, manner, place, time, manner, time. So we have to write accordingly. The old man is walking, manner, slowly. We went to play. We went dash to play. We went there to play. Let us play now. Jeet reads manner loudly. We will go for a picnic at 9 o'clock or at 9 a.m. Our school will remain closed. You don't know. So till day tomorrow. You have to write here till day tomorrow. Kal tak. Okay, till day tomorrow. Repu nunchi. She sings beautifully, melodiously, anything you can write. Okay, it is raining. Place in Palamner. Okay, children? Write it and send to me. And also you have to write copywriting daily and send to me. Those who writes any, I will see who is writing daily and sending to me. I'm going to announce in the group specially with smiley. Okay, till then, bye, stay tuned, we'll meet next week. Okay, bye children, take care of yourself.